Well, hey, it's your pal Seth with Golfdom Magazine here to tell you that the September issue is available now. I hope you'll check it out. In this month's cover story, our associate editor Rob DeFranco chatted with turf seed professionals out in Oregon on the topic of grass seed production. What was an interesting discussion on the challenges that seed manufacturers are faced with today. I hope you'll check it out. We also have our early order program guide in the issue. Shout out to Pete Seltzer for his sweet-looking design on this. Also, shout out to the companies that provided us with their EOP programs for this insert, including Alba Specialty Products, Syngenta, Enview, PBI Gordon, and New Farm. But there's more in the magazine, including research on fungicide efficacy on spring dead spot infected Bermuda grass. 4 experts talk to us about when and why a superintendent should consider removing snow from a green. And lastly, my 19th hole Q&A this month is with Patrick Joy out at Boot Ranch. We talk about how the new Texan is hanging in there at this awesome course and what he misses most about back home in Buffalo. A new issue is out now. Recently, it was Thank the Superintendent Day. As always, we thank you guys for all your support of Golfdom Magazine. I look forward to seeing you out there on the golf course very soon. See you.